Hey YouTube, it's your girl Z Baby with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make jerk chicken and mac and cheese. So if you are interested on looking at this video, keep looking at the video. And shout out to all my new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all that has subscribed. And I will be grilling this chicken, so enjoy the ride. I will see you on the next clip. Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen. You guys know that my kitchen is small, so the first thing I'm going to do to prepare this meal is I'm going to gather all of my ingredients. That's what I normally do when I'm making something. Okay, so this is the chicken of my choice. I'm gonna use this. These are the best chickens in my opinion to grill on foam grills, real grills, especially from Whole Foods. Love this chicken, so let's get into it. Before I do anything, I'm just gonna take my chicken and put it in here because I don't trust any place where I get my food. I gotta clean that up. Step is get seasoning of your choice. This is the time to get your seasonings together. You want your chicken to be really, what's the word, tasteful, but not too much. So before I put any sauce, and this is an appetizer, y'all, so if y'all want to make this, y'all need to make it. It's so good. I've been making it for like 2 years now. You need to get your seasonings together. So I'm about to go ahead and season it right quick. Okay, so I'm using adobo salt. This is my seasoning of my choice. I'm just going to put it all over the chicken. You can put as much as you want, but not too much. But I love this. This is like one of my favorite salts. So I'm going to be using that. Okay, after that is done, I'm just going to get my jerk seasoning sauce. It's taking me a minute to get it out the jar, but I'm getting my jerk seasoning sauce ready for this chicken. It is important that you have enough sauce because you're going to put this on a grill, and the more sauce you have, the more it's going to burn. The less sauce you have, the less sauce is going to burn. And I hate people that try to make jerk chicken when you have to have a lot of sauce. That's the whole point of putting it. Now, me personally, I love mild jerk sauce, so that's what I have. I'm using the jerk seasoning, and then after this, when I'm finished with that, I'm going to show you the marinade that's sitting right beside it. But please do not be stingy with this sauce. Yes, this sauce costs, but you want it to be flavorful and tasteful. That's on period, okay? So make sure that you have enough sauce to make this dish. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot. My grill is nice and hot. If you have one of these grills in the if you have one of these grills that is super hot in the house, this is how you want your grill to look. You want to make sure that the grease that you put comes up. So when you put it on, it's really, really hot. My setting is at 425. I really want the seared though. That's why I really love this grill, Hamilton Beach. I got it from, what was it, Best Buy. All I know is that it was for free, and you can get it to the highest setting at 500. The reason why you want 500 because you're trying to get the aesthetic like this is outdoor grilled food. So with further ado, let's get into it. How it's looking. This is how you want them to look. Like they look. This is exactly how you want them to look. Now, because I have a lot of sauce, They just look perfect. So do not be stingy. When you're trying to make this meal, don't be stingy with the sauce. Make sure you go ahead and put as much of sauce as you can on it. Turn it over. So, yeah, I've turned them over. Because it's on seared, it's not going to take too long to cook. That's what I love about the setting. So, you guys, this is how it looks. So, if you do make this dish, this is how it would look. I don't know why they're coming up looking red, but I assure you that they are cooked. Let me get a closer view. There we go. So, this is how you want it to look. And I assure you, these are so freaking good. So, I'll check my appetizer out, but oh, they good. I'm about to eat it. So, about to try it. I'm telling you, I'm not capping. Watch this video. Pause this video. Make these wings. These are dope. You don't have to always go pay somebody. I'm telling you. And you don't have to do it the way I did it, but I've been making this for a minute. So good. And in the summertime, you have a real grill outside. So I'm serious, trying to tell you. But I will say this. I prefer the electronic grill because you're inside, literally. And it cooks a lot faster without the hassle. But I do like outside for that real charcoal because this doesn't taste like charcoal, it's just grilled. Girl. So good. Okay? We're going to move right along to mac and cheese. Okay. Come back. Thing I'm going to make, and I promise y'all I'm going to make this mac and cheese really quickly. I think y'all, on an older video, probably about 2 years ago, I made some mac and cheese, so let's get it. Oh, water for the mac and cheese. I normally like to have my water super freaking hot.
On your cruel game and show me how to play. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Even if it's hell to pay, promise I won't run away. You do it better, but I'll give it a shot anyway. On your cruel game.
So now I'm about to just add a little bit of salt. I know that's bad, but just a little bit of salt in there. Using this Velveeta cheese, so I'll be using. So this is what I'm gonna be using. This Trader Joe's cheese. It's Combi Jack. I hope I'm saying that right. Kobe Jack. So I'm gonna be using this. After that, I'm gonna add this. I got it too close, so I'm gonna use this sharp triple cheddar. I want to do a little taste test because I don't want to make something and then I don't try it. So, y'all, so good. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so this is how it looks at the end, you guys. I didn't bake it because I'm not gonna fake. I am exhausted, but you can also bake this or whatever. But I just noticed like I don't have a whole bunch of shredded cheese, and I didn't want to use all my Combi Jack. Like no, So anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get another video like this. And also let me know how I'm doing in these videos.